Alright guys, welcome back. We are heading to Honda of White Plains, where I had originally placed my first deposit for that Sonic Gray Pearl Type R. We are actually heading over there right now to do two things. One, that allocation is now going to go to one of my newest Instagram and Facebook followers. We started talking. His name is Chase. He's going to check my car out. He's actually going to go through and purchase that gray one that I was going to buy. He couldn't find a better deal anywhere else, so I'm going to help him with this. We're going to meet for the first time. Then later today, the Honda Beat is getting picked up, so we have a lot to do in a short amount of time. The second thing that I'm doing at Honda is I'm actually getting my $1,000 non-refundable deposit back to my card, and that was even offered to me before I found a buyer for the car. So all in good faith. I think we're on good terms with this dealership. They offered to give me my money back instead of having to buy another car, and I found them a buyer. So win-win situation. We're gonna head over there now and meet Chase. I think there it is. There's the gray one. So let's go inside and take a look. Ooh, there it is. Sick. The gray is really nice. Yeah, so it looks like they were asking 10 over with the protection package. Not too far off. I actually really dig the gray. So today we've seen white, gray, and then my blue one. They just gave us the keys for the Type R. This is Chase. Say hi. So he just drove down from New Haven. First time meeting him. And we just got the refund on the car, and Chase is gonna talk to Theo. So this is what the seats feel like without the wrap, because I still haven't taken my wrap off. I'm trying to keep it clean. So you haven't owned a Type R before, have you?
No, my first time.
First one. Have you owned any Hondas?
I've had a Civic SI.
Civic SI? Okay. So you're pretty familiar with like the whole
Right.
performance Civic realm. I really like the Type R embossed into the seat. That's nice. You just have to hit it twice total. There you go. So now you can play around with everything. So I love the Honda log, which is this. So it shows you all like the performance data of the car.
Yeah.
I didn't have to do this. I guess they set it up for me already.
Oh, they did.
Yeah. That's pretty sick. Yeah, so it shows you all this. Air temps,
Nice.
boost pressure, oil temp pressure.
Awesome.
And then you get wireless CarPlay. The wireless charger thing doesn't really work that well,
Yeah.
so I'm not going to rely on that. This is Type R 343. It's a lower number than mine. So here's the Type R cargo mat, because I want to get this mat too for mine. I think it looks like you have to trim this off to make it fit.
Yeah.
That's weird that if it's a Type R mat, it's not already trimmed.
Yeah.
It's already got the battery like protector
Right.
to keep it clean and warm. I don't even know if my car has that. I gotta double check. Turbo is right there, easily accessible.
Yeah.
You do a precision turbo as soon as you take it out of the lot. So we're actually driving by the Honda
Turn left
dealer
into the parking
here
lot,
that was
then arrive
asking
at your destination.
$20,000 over MSRP. So we stopped next door at Curry Honda here in Yorktown, taking a look at the Championship White Type R that they have here. It's actually the first time seeing this color in person, but this dealer is known to be asking $20,000 over sticker. which is absolutely crazy. And it's probably why it's still sitting on the showroom floor. All right, we made it to Auto Images. We are here for XPEL Ceramic Window Tint. We're doing all the windows except for the windshield. So that's the 4 side windows and the rear hatch. We're going with 18% ceramic tint. And once we're done with the tint, on Thursday, we're going into Randy at Ludensol to do the 1-stage paint correction, the full front end PPF. We're also going to do the 4 doors and possibly even the rear bumper and quarter. We'll see. Basically everything besides the roof, because I don't really need that. And after that's all said and done, ceramic coat the whole entire car, including the wheels. At some point this week, we're also going out to Delaware to my friend Miles's shop, and we're picking up a full brand new set of Blizzaks and Sparco wheels because we're going to be driving this daily throughout the winter. So it's a busy week, all lined up. We have it planned out, and on top of all that, we're calling dealerships. So we got a whole lot of new content coming up in the next week that I'll be filming. But here we are at Auto Images. We're in Yorktown Heights, New York. They do remote starters, window tint, paint corrections, ceramic coating, audio installs, everything that needs to be customized on your car, they can do here. We got a beautiful Range Rover right here. Looks like he came in for limo tint because that's really, really dark. But anyways, we're going to head inside and say hi to Ray. He's the owner of the shop. But as you guys know, it snowed here yesterday, over the night, and it pretty much all melted already on the road at least. But I was really scared that the car was going to get covered in salt. But it's not too bad. Yeah, the roads weren't like that salty, but you can definitely see that it's getting covered. So that's why we want a PPF and ceramic, is to protect the paint as best as possible. I feel bad, the car only has like 80 miles on it and it's already seen salt.
What we do is, let's say if it was an accident, but it was like, let's say it says that it was an accident, it's paint. Website saying, hey, it was good, you know, and we put that on saying that it was a good repair and everything.
It's actually the first time seeing the car move with me on the outside. Hearing the exhaust too. So I think we were gonna do the XPEL 18% on the rear 5 windows, right?
Nothing on the front?
Not the windshield, just the front.
Yeah, just the front. Got it.
So the 4 windows
yeah,
and then
that's
the
what I
rear hatch.
recommend. Make it all match.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do that because nothing is factory tinted
Gotcha.
at this point. This XPEL film right here, this one right here, I think that's 18%. So it'll look really good.
You can give him my number. You could just send the radios
All right, so Ray wants to show us his audio setup in the Neon. So this is a 50,000 mile?
50,000 mile Neon.
Bone stock?
Bone stock.
Wow,
All original.
that's crazy. So you did all this custom work?
Yep.
And you did the door panels? I like
All
that.
suede. Yeah. If you look in the back,
Yo, That's clean.
It's nice,
I
right?
guess you can't really have people back here though.
You can. They just can't really rest their head.
Yeah. So there's the amp right there in the middle. That's really clean.
Trunk. You got,
Wow.
got the nitrous tank.
That's crazy.
This is the best part about it. Ready? Listen for it. Filled up.
So it's bone stock except for nitrous.
Bone stock except for nitrous.
That's insane. How long ago did you build this?
This was built in 2012, but it looks like
Oh wow, so you've had this car for a while. That's sick. That's crazy. Oh, it comes right out of the front right there. I just felt it on my legs. There's no way this thing is bone stock. What are you talking about? This thing is like fully built. Guys, this car is crazy. Let's see this engine. Alright.
Stage 2 clutch, intake, cams, MSD ignition.
Yeah, bone stock my ass.
Catless downpipe, direct port nitrous.
That's crazy. Yeah, guys, so if you want a custom audio setup like this, make sure you check them out. Victor's done with the windows. It actually looks really good. And I just decided last minute we're gonna do the front windshield in 70% XPEL Ceramic. So nothing too crazy, it's the lightest shade that they have, but I always want to do windshield because especially nowadays at like the sunset, the light is always blinding and it still gives you that UV protection too. So we're just gonna do all the windows and then that way we don't have to come back and do it again at a later time. But so far it looks really good. All right, we're checking out this other toy. It's a 95 Defender.
95 Defender.
Diesel. Sick. Manual? Wow. This thing is dope.
Fires right up.
That exhaust tip is so small. for a little diesel?
This, I should have opened it up from the back first, but let me see if I can.
This is way cooler than a G-Wagon. You know what this smell reminds me of? The little yellow school buses.
Yeah, right?
That is sick. Got a little bench seat in the back. Five-speed.
Greg, check this out. Still got the sticker from the Ford. Came from Florida.
Cool.
I'll look it up in the back. Look, side step rails. We put them on. We didn't even take the wrapper off. It's
Nice.
gonna go up for sale.
It's a customer's car?
No, it's mine.
Oh, it's yours?
Yeah.
Awesome. Where'd you bought this on
This one
auction?
was shipped from Europe. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yep.
Can I sell you send it?
Yeah, got it.
Awesome. I've never been in one of these before. This thing is awesome. It's crazy how the clutch feels on these. Really smooth. 110,000 kilometers. This thing doesn't even have a tachometer. So I don't even know what the RPMs are. That's wild. Yeah, I feel like this needs a long time to warm up, being a old diesel. All right, guys, it is all done. Came out looking really nice. 70% on the windshield, 20% all around on the rear. 20% looks really nice, and it's kind of like a kind of cloudy day, so we can see what it would look like at its darkest. But with the windshield at 70%, I think it's perfect. It's actually darker on camera than it is in person, but came out really good. Huge thanks to Auto Images. And again, make sure you come check this shop out if you want any customization work done. They do really good work. He's an honest guy. Awesome job on this car. I'm really happy with the results. So it takes about 3-4 days for the tint to fully cure, so I'm not gonna roll the windows down. But in the meantime, over the next couple days, we're getting the winter wheel set up, and then we're taking it in for PPF and ceramic. So make sure you guys stay tuned for those updates, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you guys.